Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about an interesting concept where you can get up to 100x returns. So the concept is ICO, initial coin offering. So if you are someone who knows IPOs, initial public offerings, where a stock will become public, so that if you get an IPO allotment, you will get some listing gains. So it is what IPO is, but the maximum that you can earn is 20 to 30%. So it's something which is very average. What if there is an opportunity for you to invest in crypto coins before its launch in official platforms? So there are maximum chances that you will get 100x or 200x returns, because crypto space is something which is very new nowadays. So not every individual is aware of crypto. Then this is the best chance for you to get it. So I will show you. There is a website where you can find all these ICOs before launching into official platforms. You can find them here and you can invest before launching. So if it is after 5 to 6 years, I might not say you will get 100x returns. It is not possible, because you will get lot of cryptos. But as the crypto market is small when compared to equity market, there are chances that you will get more returns nowadays. So I will show you how you can actually do that. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So in this channel you will get content on passive income tips, digital marketing, programming, latest technology, personal finance and investments, and many more, which will be useful for you in your career. So this is the platform that I have been talking about. So ICOdrops.com. So you can also find the link in the description too. So you can see what are all the active ICOs at this moment, and what are all the upcoming ICOs, and what are all the ICOs which are recently ended, which means you can find these in the platforms like Binance and other crypto exchanges that you use. So the advantage in ICO investment is like it is similar to IPO. So let's take an example. So these are all the active ICOs. So if you can open one, so you will see what is the offer for this. So if you can see the price of this particular token. So the name of this is Unilab. It's a blockchain service. You can research on what is utility that a particular crypto is providing, and you can see the price of it is only 0.18 USD. So which is not even 15 rupees, 15 INR. So you can purchase these tokens initially. So once it is launched, it will absolutely become more than what it is showing currently. So you will get a lot of profits. There are chances that it will also listed at 18 USD kind of thing, 100x more than what it is showing currently. So you can see many such ICOs. So if you have missed anything, so you can also find upcoming ICOs, because you can get to know the date of these ICOs, and you can invest them based on the utility that you like. And before that, it's not like you blindly go and purchase an ICO. Read the utility that they were providing. If it's just a meme coin, then there is no point in depending on them. If it's something which has a good utility, then ultimately you can invest on them for as low as possible. And when it's get listed on any of the crypto exchanges, then ultimately the value goes up. So this is the advantage with the ICOs, and you can find the ICO drops link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this concept, please like and share this video in your network. Also, if you are new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.